That gives me a great idea, Bear. I could become a park ranger, and I could help you find a nice, quiet place to hibernate in.
Oh, that's a great idea, Henry.
Okay, Bear, first things first. We need to find somewhere cozy and quiet. Oh, this seems lovely and peaceful, Bear. Why don't you make yourself comfortable inside this tree?
Good thinking, Henry.
Just close your eyes and relax. There you go. I'm sure nothing will wake you up.
Timber!
Ah!
Excuse me, coming through. Oh dear, what a racket, Henry. I was falling into a really wonderful sleep.
Don't worry, Bear. I'm sure the beavers will be finished soon.
Right, no, Henry. We're going to be here all winter. We don't hibernate. Oh no, Henry. Looks like I'll be awake all winter.
Don't worry, Bear. I'm sure if we keep looking, we're bound to find the perfect place. Oh, what about this burrow beside this peaceful stream? Oh no, all the salmon are going upstream. What about under this rocky ledge?
La 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 la. Oh, looks like that eagle is practicing her singing.
This rock looks lovely and comfy, Bear.
Oh!
Oh no, Bear. It's a full moon and all the wolves are howling.
What are we going to do, Henry? It's getting dark and we still haven't found a place for me to hibernate in. Oh, things just couldn't get any worse. Oh.
Quick, Bear. We can shelter from the storm in that cave.
Jump, jump, everyone inside! Oh, looks like we're stuck in here until the storm ends, Henry. We're never going to find a place for me to hibernate.
Hold on a minute, Bear. I think we've just found the perfect place for you to sleep. This cave. It's warm, it's cozy, and most importantly, it's quiet.
You're right, Henry. I'll just get myself settled down here. Oh, Henry, I can't sleep. After all the excitement, I'm wide awake.
Don't worry, Bear. Whenever I'm wide awake, my dad tells me a bedtime story. Then before I know it, I'm sound asleep.
Oh, good thinking, Henry.
The day Henry met!
That gives me a great idea, Rooster. I could become a farmer, and I could help feed all the animals.
That's a great idea, Henry.
Hop your seatbelt on, and I'll take it from there, Henry. First stop, the pigsty.
Good morning, Mummy Pig. I hope you and all your little piglets are hungry, hungry, hungry.
Oh, they certainly are, Henry. Come along, piglets.
Here you go, piggies.
Now, everyone, what do you all say to Henry? Thank you, Henry.
You're welcome. Hello, cow.
Howdy, Henry.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
Hello, chicks.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, sheep.
Hello, Henry.
Hello, ducks. I see the pond is frozen over.
Oh, it has, Henry. It's frozen solid.
Oh, that's no good.
No, it's not, Henry. In fact, it's terrible.
Do you know what else is terrible? A perfectly good flask of soup going to waste. Anyone fancy a mug?
No, thank you, Flask.
Oh, no, Henry. If the pond is frozen over, that means the watermill will be frozen over too, and we won't be able to grind the flour, which means we won't be able to make any bread to feed to the ducks.
It's okay, Rooster. We just have to work out a way of melting the ice.
How about a lovely warm mug of soup to help you all think? Not right now, Flask. Are you sure? It's like a big warm ball of sunshine in your tummy.
That's it, Flask. We need heat to melt the ice. And I think I know just who can help. Okay, son. Ready, steady, shine! Good work, everyone. Every single animal has been fed.
Not quite everyone, Henry.
Oh no, Rooster. It looks like there's no food left.
Oh, yes, there is. And now it's lunchtime.
That's delicious, thanks, Flask. And it's gone and soothed me sore throat and all. Cock-a-doodle-doo!